Naghahanap ba kayo ng perfect place to celebrate Father's Day o kaya naman family bonding trip na may good food, good vibes at perfect view? Well, perfect kasi
Saan tayo today?
hey Wanderers, tara samahan nyo kami sa isa sa mga dine spots na swak sa kahit anong celebration, ang Mercedes, located here in Twin Lakes, Tagaytay. Pagpasok mo pa lang ay mararamdaman mo na agad ng comfort. And check this out, may pasalubong area sila filled with local goodies. May sweets, kape ng Alfonso, tableya, kutkutin at marami pang iba. The vibes feels like home. Ang daming tables and chairs, perfect for big families or barkada. May balcony pa na may postcard-worthy view of Taal Volcano. Plus, spacious din sa baba. And yes, may clean comfort room and high chairs for our babies. At dito nga kami umupo sa may glass window para sulit ang view habang kumakain. Tapos ang menu, panalo! From Filipino comfort food to Southeast Asian, Indian at Italian favorites, lahat nandito na. And here's what we ordered.
Welcome to Mercedes. We serve salad niswas. We have egg, tuna, black olives, onion, tomato, and anchovy, and lemon dressing. For the pasta, we have pasta bolognese, stir-fried noodles. We have broccoli, shrimp, and mushroom. Then Hawaiian pizza, ham and cheese, panini, and fries. And then we have sinampalukang manok, tamarind soup, chicken, and vegetables. Lastly, we have grilled pampano and oriental sauce.
Yung tuna salad nila, fresh and light. Masarap yung combination ng saltiness ng tuna at yung lemon dressing nila. Panalo rin itong sinampalukang manok na nagustuhan din ni Tata dahil sakto lang yung pagka-asim kilig nito. Yung pasta bolognese nila, rich ang sauce, and kids love this one. Yung stir-fried noodles nila, ang daming sahog, and parang upgraded pancit with Asian flair. Yung Hawaiian pizza nila, a fun twist on the usual cheesy, sweet from the pineapple, then may hint ng freshness from the basil. Ham and cheese panini with fries, comfort food talaga, plus crunchy fries on the side, hit na hit sa kids. And last, yung grilled pampano with oriental sauce. The oriental sauce gives it a sweet and savory kick. Light yet satisfying, perfect sa rice. Lahat nga ng na-order namin is father approved and kids approved. And here's a treat. You can use the discount code Mercedes5 off Cherry Wonders to get 5% off when you dine in here at Mercedes. Plus points din for their very accommodating staff. Ang gaan ng feeling while dining, hindi lang dahil sarap ng food, kundi pati sa service nila. So ayun, happy ang mga person sa aming experience dito sa Mercedes. A perfect place for any celebration with the whole fam. Open ang Mercedes daily from 9 a.m. till 8 p.m. kapag weekdays at 8 a.m. till 9 p.m. naman kapag weekends. So kung naghahanap kayo ng comfort foods with the view and lots of love, alam nyo na kung saan pupunta.
Happy Father's Day!
To